welcome to my channel. Hello, Mama here. Thank you for being here with me today. And the first thing I want to say is I want to thank all of my Instagram followers and my YouTube subscribers. May 21st, 2024, I celebrated 3 years on YouTube, and now I have 1,600 subscribers, and I will be doing a giveaway really soon. Just really thinking about it, what I want to do. So follow me on Instagram for the updates, and also subscribe to me here. And hopefully very shortly, you'll be getting more information on the giveaway. But again, you just have to follow me on Instagram, and you have to follow me on, subscribe to me on YouTube. So I hope you enjoy my channel. Love y'all. Love you guys. Love your support. Love your comments, your likes, everything. So thank you for that. But today, what I have for you is I have something from Fearsome Figures, who I've purchased several items from. Their information is below. They have a lot of signed pictures, Funko Pops, props, great, fantastic company, great, fantastic customer service. So please give them a follow on Instagram. And I think they do now have a brick and mortar store, but follow them on Instagram. You'll find all that out. They have lots of sales that come up all the time, 15, 20, 25% off like everything in the store, which is fantastic. And then every once in a while, they come up with like mysteries. And this mystery was, there was 30 boxes, 30 items. The whole list of items were there, what it could be. I think only 3 of them were either Funko Pop or a figure, and the rest were, which is obviously what I got here at 11 by 14. Some of the pulls you could get were like Dana Carvey, Adam Levine, Sarah Silverman, Lenny Kravitz, Ron Howard, Charlie Hunnam. Is that how you pronounce his name? Anyway, that's some of the, I had the list here, and if you want to look at it, go ahead, look at it. You can go onto his website, and you can, I think there might be one more left. The last time I looked was a few days ago. I think there was one more left, but I'm not sure. But if you look for that, find out, and you'll find out exactly what your chances, well, not what your chances are, who you could pull. Not sure. I mean, obviously, and it was $60, but obviously, it looked good enough for me, some of them to pull, and I do really enjoy Fearsome Figures, so I do like to give people my business, and I really appreciate them and their company and their customer service. So please, again, check them out. But let's see who I pulled. Okay, it's 11 by 14 as stated. Let's see. Let's have the JSA. Oh. Here is their card. Has some little things I can check out later. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's their Facebook and everything like that, but that's all listed below. Okay. Let me see. Is it upside down or whatever? It looks like it might be upside down. Who did I get? Oh, I can see through that. Nice pull. Lenny Kravitz. Awesome. I do love this. This is definitely a keeper. Lenny freaking Kravitz. Great pull. You know? What can I say? Thank you for joining me. Again, follow me on Instagram. Check out for the giveaway. Look down at Fearsome Figures. Check them out. Check out their website. Bound to find something that you like. You all take care. You have an amazing day. And peace.